Okay, confidence intervals, margins. That's what this lesson is all about. Okay, we had a survey. 500 people were asked. Found that 35% of Canadians, when they in the age range of this, owned an e-reader. The results were accurate within plus minus 5%, 19 times out of 20. In this age range, there's 8.7 million Canadians. So what is the margin of error? Plus minus 5%. So we can go anywhere from 30% of Canadians up to 40%. Because we found that 35% of Canadians, but that's not exactly accurate. They're saying it could have been 5% lower or 5% higher than that number that they found. That's what they're saying. What is the confidence level? How confident are you in this study? 19 out of 20 times you were finding the results to be true, which is you're 95% confident. What range of people own an e-reader? So I'm going to go anywhere from 30% of the people to 40% of the people. Anywhere in that range, because we don't know how accurate we are. So 8.7 mil times 30%. Up to 8.7 mil times 40%. Okay, how do you break all this down and conclude in a survey? I am 95% certain that between 2.61 and 3.48 million Canadians who are 24 to 45 years old own an e-reader. That's my conclusion. I'm 95% confident that anywhere between 2.61 and 3.48 million Canadians of that age span own an e-reader.
What's an e-reader?
Isn't that just like a tablet kind of looking thing where you get books on it? You have to like order books and you can flip through it. Okay, we'll do this one together because I don't know why I only have one practice one. Toxic materials can be released into the air if a discarded cell phone is incinerated. Toxin can be released into groundwater if a discarded cell phone ends up in a landfill. In a recent survey, 89% of the users answered yes. Would you recycle your cell phone if it was convenient? So 89% answered yes. The survey was considered accurate to within 4.3%, 99 out of 100 times. Okay, confidence level. What is the confidence level? How confident are you in this study?
99%.
99% confident in your results. 99 out of 100 times this was happening. What is your confidence interval? So our margin was 4.3. So our interval would be, can you take 89 and we can go down 4.3 from that or up 4.3 from that? So if our margin of error was 4.3, we could go anywhere from 84.7 up to 93.3% as a confidence interval. Okay, you might hear the word margin of error. That's that part, and then the interval is if you calculate yours plus minus that. Okay, we had this many Canadians owning a cell phone, so let's figure out the range of Canadians who will recycle. So we're going to times it by 0.847. And then we will also times it by so anywhere in between that zone is how many Canadians we expect to recycle their cell phone. Okay, and that's basically it for this unit or lesson on the unit. Okay, I want to just tell you one thing. It's a general knowledge of conducting a survey. Tell me this. If you are to ask more people, your results will be more or less accurate. The more people you survey will be, you're going to be more accurate. Okay, so I asked just you your phone hours. If I ask the whole school population, my data will be more accurate, right? If you are more people asked, you're more accurate, your margin of error will be a higher or a lower number. It will be, your number will be lower. Okay? More people you ask, the more accurate you are, which means your margin of error will actually be a lower number. Does that make sense to you?